He's looking at me. Huh?
Welcome back to another episode of Flippin' Thrift. My name's Andrew, this is Derek, and we are resellers. That means we find items at places like estate sales and thrift stores and yard sales, and we sell those online for a profit. Oh, shoot. Currently we're on the way to an estate sale right now on a Friday, but we gotta make a quick stop at probably our favorite place, which is the post office, because that means we have sold a bunch of stuff and made a bunch of profit. So hopefully we can find some stuff and fill our shop with more stuff from this estate sale. So check it out. Hit that like button, comment button, and subscribe. Thank you for all the support.
All right. All right, appreciate it. What you looking for?
There's a painting I wanted to look at.
Oh, okay.
This one just happens to be closer than earlier.
Oh, nice. Dun, 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 dun. Nah, I'm still, I don't know what these are. Ooh, golf clubs. I don't know golf clubs.
Want me to carry that for you?
Sure. I'll look around a little bit. All right. Appreciate it, bro. Ooh, what do we got here? What do we got here? $7, baby. Trash. This actually might be decent. Nope. Ooh. Look at that. 518 beds. Got a good sell-through rate. It's in really good shape. Let's see. He's looking at me. Huh? What? Godzilla VHS?
I'll pass that one.
Yeah, I saw it. They want way too much for it. Oh, there they are right there.
You got all the golf balls too?
No, I found this though.
Is there anything in there?
Yeah, there's a lantern in there.
Oh, is it? Is it?
It's a little dirty, but it's in good shape. It's got this too, which is like the oil refiller. But yeah, all it needs is cleaning. So I don't know. I don't know what you think. What is that one worth?
This is like 30, 40, isn't it?
Yeah.
The clamshell?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Yeah, look it up by the model number.
What is it? Oh, hey, let me show you this. Okay, so they've got 200 on this.
Oh my.
So, but there's 44 listed and 60 sold, and
400 bucks.
400. I think this is the exact one. 18 bids, 75 shipping, 500. So, I mean, I think this is an added rope.
Yeah.
I just set it out here just cause I don't know. We don't have. We don't.
Right there. Does that one have tears?
No, it's got a few scratches, but I don't know. Yeah. I mean it.
Just like 100 bucks.
Yeah, maybe. This guy.
What is this called? Clamshell.
This is like the place where they'd have like a Bose radio or something. Ooh. Power plate.
Taking a picture with a girl. It's like an old Wrangler advertisement.
Really? Most of them. Huh? No, no one else took them. Yeah, I own that place. I own that place. Yeah, there's like a lot of the one touch and the snappies and yeah, zoom touch, all that.
I got a Patagonia. Like a,
You did?
yeah.
Okay. Nice.
A Carhartt hat.
I took like.
We're missing the #1, missing the first Harry Potter
Okay.
hardcover. So
Uh-huh.
we can get like 60 or 70 bucks for
Complete.
the complete. So I got that one.
Oh, sweet.
Where's all the golf clubs?
Oh, in there, towards that back wall. Hey, I'm gonna go in there, okay?
Yeah.
Is there stuff for me to look at? Is there some stuff? Yep. How are you doing today?
Fine, how are you?
Good.
Like a chicken with my head cut off.
I hear ya.
I looked out the door and there, standing there, G-jawing. I was like, you got too many freaking
Right?
chicken.
You gotta be getting a good cut.
I gave him a look. I've been doing good.
Yeah, it never does, hey? Wow, this house is nice. Mm-hmm.
You like it in cameras, huh? You
Huh?
collect cameras?
Oh yeah. Sell them.
Dave, we got a bunch of the old ones at the house.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we've been collecting out storage units for.
Oh, okay. You might be sitting on a big pile of cash then.
Yeah, we got them up there in the thing. Got the old wall. I forgot what all kinds of stuff. It's got a bunch of them.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Well, we live over in Yansville, so it'd be hard to show.
Oh yeah.
Will you sell online?
Yeah, eBay.
My girlfriend, she does that too.
Oh yeah.
But she ain't never tried to sell the cameras.
Yeah, there's some good money in them.
Alright, get that dude's research.
Yeah.
That was that fun game we played over at Vernon Lake.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, sir.
Good to see you.
Find anything?
Yeah.
Where was that? Was it in that stack by that video game?
Yeah, I took the video again too, just because I want to save it from this.
I looked over that.
It's okay.
I'm
It was like
stupid.
under it. You didn't see Zelda's.
I saw
you didn't see
a
Will's
link.
face?
I thought that was just some trashy magazine.
There's a trashy magazine underneath it. No more video games, but that one.
There's a video game here?
Yeah, there was one. It was Madden '94.
For the Super Nintendo.
Nope. Not even know where was that at?
And Zelda strategy guide.
Really?
Nintendo. I did.
That makes me want to dig a little.
I know, I didn't even do that.
Ooh, I hope they didn't see that. What's that thing way up there? Oh, in there? Yeah. Should I grab it?
Up there.
See about the these?
Get on up there.
Oh boy. I don't even want to know. I don't want to know what that is.
Just gonna say that Derek overlooked this bad boy though. Look at that. Nintendo Power official strategy guide. It's like $80.
I just want to say this. Andrew wanted to humiliate me so much that this is filmed on his phone. And he never does that. Thank you.
thank you guys for checking out another episode of Flippin' Thrift. It was a great estate sale. We got some really cool stuff. Sometimes it pays to be a little early and like Derek, run to those good things. So some of those cameras are gonna sell for $50 to $150, which is crazy. So do not sleep on some of those cameras. They can make some really good money and some really good items to sell, and they sell quick. So thank you again. Please like, comment, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And there's definitely a reason why we are back at that exact farm that estate sale was filmed at, for another business adventure that could pay dividends for us in the future. So future videos coming soon that might be some new endeavors. So thank you for checking us out, and we will see you next week.